Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an affordable 2-bedroom property. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. This particular property is from Gleeson Builders and the location details are shared in here. It's in Bradford, very near to Bradford City Centre. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a lounge, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor you have 2 bedrooms and a common bathroom. This is a small property with good comfort. It's quite ideal for investment and also for young couple who are planning to move in. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a small hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your upstairs and also towards the living. Now just moving towards the living area. Here you have a lounge with good daylight falling in because you have a beautiful window in the front. The space is okay for a 2-bedroom house. 2 sofa sets can fit in and also you can have a TV set. They also gave a small storeroom kind of thing here. There's a space under the staircase which is converted. Overall, a decent living room. A lot of people consider these kind of small properties for their second investment. And this area has got good potential. You have very good schools nearby, including a grammar school. And this is located very near to Bradford City Centre. Now moving towards the kitchen, it's a decent kitchen with good space. You have kitchen towards one side and you can arrange a small dining towards the other side. There's also garden access to the French doors given here. And the other side you have a big window, so plenty of light in this room. And all the modern facilities are included in this. You have a gas hob, exhaust and a lot of cupboards at the bottom and even on the top. The space for refrigerator and dishwasher also are given here. Now here towards the other side you can plan a small dining table with very good garden view. If you look at the positive aspects of this property, the price is quite cheaper and you're getting an independent property with a lot of good facilities. You also get a decent garden behind with fence around it. And even in the front you'll get 2 car park space, which is quite ideal. If you compare this with the properties in London, even for single bedded apartments you'll have to pay a lot of money. But here you get space both at the front and even at the back. And this is the washroom here in the ground floor. You have a water closet, sink and there's an exhaust given. This is all about the ground floor. Let's move towards the first floor. Now as I told you, on the first floor we have 2 bedrooms. One bedroom is slightly bigger than the other one and there's a common bathroom. Let's check out the small bedroom first. So as you enter you'll find the small bedroom first. This is okay. They actually gave a double cot here, but if you put a single cot you'll get some extra space to walk around. If you look at it, the space is actually given in length here. So if a cot fixed to the other side, then you have to plan some wardrobe or something towards the other side. There's actually a window also given, so the light and air movement are okay. So this is all about the first bedroom. Now checking out the second bedroom of the house. So this is comparatively bigger one. A double cot fits in and you have good room space to walk around. There's a window given towards one side, so a lot of light again. This bedroom is comparatively wider and the space also is given in length. So you can actually plan a bigger wardrobe towards the other side. You can enjoy the front view of the house here from these windows. It's really beautiful. And here I've seen some kind of extension. I exactly don't know for what reason they gave this extension. You can use it as a desk or you can have some kind of storage here. Now let's check out the common bathroom. Here on the first floor you have only one bathroom for this property, and that is this. So you have the bathtub, water closet and a sink. There's also a window given towards one side. Overall, a decent property for a reasonable price. This is all about today's property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.